In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unstar or remove a star from an email in Gmail. Whether you're trying to tidy up your inbox or just keep your important emails well organized, learning how to unstar an email is a simple yet effective way to manage your messages efficiently. To get started, you'll first want to open Gmail. You can access your Gmail account through your web browser by navigating to gmail.com, or if you prefer using a mobile device, open the Gmail app. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself in your inbox where all your incoming emails reside. Alternatively, you might choose to head over to your starred folder if you want to focus specifically on starred emails. The starred folder is located in the menu on the left-hand side and gives you a quick view of all messages you've marked with stars. Now that you are in your inbox or have opened the starred folder, your next task is to locate an email you've previously starred. These emails will have a yellow star icon to the left of the sender's name or the email subject line, making them easy to identify. Stars are helpful for highlighting important messages or those you need quick access to later, but once you're done, decluttering is just as important. To remove the star from an email, you'll need to click on the yellow star icon. You don't need to worry if you're doing this for the first time. It's quite straightforward. Once you click on the star, you'll see it disappear, meaning the email is no longer starred. It's a small but efficient way to instantly update the status of your email and remove it from your starred list. It's good to note that removing a star doesn't delete your email or move it to any other folder. It simply unstars it. This is a handy feature for quickly toggling the importance of emails without losing them altogether. Feel free to repeat this step on any other emails you no longer want to keep starred. Now, with just a few clicks, you've successfully unstarred your email. Keeping your inbox organized can help you stay productive and make your email experience more pleasurable. This simple action ensures your priority emails stand out in your inbox or the starred folder, where clutter can quickly become overwhelming. That's it for today's tutorial. As always, make sure to maintain your email hygiene by regularly reviewing your starred emails and updating their status to match your current priorities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, or subscribe for more tips on maneuvering through your digital life with ease.